Hi! Today we're going to do an unboxing of the books that I ordered. These are my books. Okay, my co-teachers ordered books, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring them, put them in my luggage, and carry it through the airport and give it to my co-teachers. So my partner publishing house here in the Philippines is 8 Letters Publishing House. So they're the ones who wrapped the books in this super safe bubble wrap, and it comes with this one. So here I ordered 5 books because 5 teachers have ordered, and these are a copy of my book. Teka lang, hala, nasira. These are the books. Alona's Quest for the Golden Tree. This is the second version. I kept it simpler this time, and it comes with a bookmark.